AquaGuard.
Good morning, folks. We're here on this beautiful Monday morning here in Midtown Atlanta, and we've got a gorgeous historic home built in the 1920s, and there's some things on this home we want you to look out for that kind of typify what it is we look for when there could be potential foundation problems. Now, if you look over here, you'll notice on this brick veneer that you'll see that there's some horizontal cracking where it's actually separated right at the mortar joint, and there's some more of it up there as well. And that is a symptom that this foundation is actually settling vertically, and of course this brick, being as rigid as it is, has no choice but to crack with it. So if you see cracks like this in your brick veneer, give us a call. These are symptoms you really want to be proactive with. Better safe than sorry. Have us come out, do a completely free inspection of your foundation, and if there's an issue, we'll let you know, and if there's something you need to just monitor, we're going to let you know that as well.